Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can search for poses in Dress to Impress. So if you go to the pose here, there's actually like a search bar where you can like search for the pose. You do have to remember the name of your favorite pose to be able to look for it. So for instance, you want to find the puppet one. I think was it a puppet or a doll? So it's called the doll. You have to like type it in here, and then as you can see, the doll post pack is here, and you don't have to like scroll all the way down to find it. And then there was like another one's like possession. I'm just trying to like think of the ones that I could remember from the top of my head, and like the Halloween post packs were the ones that I remember. For instance, you want the iconic pose 28, you can also do that. Um, but yeah, that is how you can basically search for poses in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!